Hold up, y'all, get into this. So LiAngelo Ball gifted our girl Rashida Nicole a custom G-Wagon, right? But now a woman named Pearl Energy is claiming it's actually hers. She says she ordered this dream ride last year, but when it arrived early, she couldn't pay for it. The dealership put it up for sale, and guess who snagged it? LiAngelo. Now Pearl's all over social media begging to buy it back from Rashida. But here's the $1 million question. If you were Rashida, would you give it up and let Pearl buy it? Or is it finders keepers? Let me know what you think in the comments. This story's wilder than a custom paint job, and I can't wait to hear your take. Sorry, girl, not sorry.